Hey, Specialist, do you see anything strange? Well, sir, I would have been notified about this strange occurrence, but I don't think that they're seeing anything strange outside. Well, that sounds a little relieving. Hey, don't get further from here, because there could be some droids over there. Ha, droids. They're just mindless, brain-dead robots. What are they gonna do? I got a bad feeling about this. Aw, crap, man, down! Droids are here! What's the situation?
We're trying to eliminate the last Republic clones.
Then get it done.
Yes, sir.
For the Republic!
Do we run? I think we should. Oh, wow.
That should be the last of them.